like I said, we're just out here running around town again, just checking out the mic and how it picks up on the GoPro and stuff of that nature. So I may not do too much more talking here, but again, I could just run my mouth a little bit more just so that it continues to record and see how it does and stuff of that nature. But yeah, I mean, when I was setting this up, I didn't I was waiting for the media mod to show up for the Hero, and once it showed up, obviously I put it to work, and I was trying to figure out why it wasn't recording. Like, I'll plug the purple Panda, I believe it's got only purple Panda, I believe it is a TSR, it's got the TSR male port or male plug, but I was like, okay, maybe I just plug it directly into the media mod, to the jack that they have on the media mod. I was like, cool, simple enough, easy, plug and play, let's rock and roll. And I was sitting there and I was like plugging it in, and then I was trying to record, and like it wouldn't record my voice. I was like, I must be doing something wrong here. It's like, well, is it a selection? Is it some sort of configuration or setting in the GoPro itself that I need to set? But then I was watching some videos of some dudes. They're like, yeah, man, this thing's like just plug and play. It's just plug and play. The GoPro automatically picks it up, and it knows that you're using an external mic, so it shuts off the other mics on the GoPro itself, the internal mics. And then I was like, okay, why is it not doing it here then? And so I was kind of fumbling through the instructions and like going through videos from like Chase on Two Wheels and Blockhead and all these kids, some other dudes that are like videographers who has a GoPro just because, I mean, they don't do moto vlogs, but they just have it because they do video stuff, right? So they do streaming stuff. They put external mics that they mount on top and stuff of that nature. But anyways, so I was digging through like YouTube videos and like the instructions. I'm like, man, what the junk is going on here? Like, how can this not work? I'm like, if I have to buy that silly adapter just to make this work, I'm gonna be like not happy. And so I was sitting there thinking, and so I put everything down, you know what I mean? Like sometimes you have to like put crap down and then just walk away, and then sometimes, you know, you have like this epiphany that happens, and then it did. Like, I put it down, I walked away, and I was like, man, what the heck? And so I came back and I looked at it, and I was looking through all the purple Panda bags, or the bag that the unit came in, and there's an adapter sitting inside of there, and the instructions even says that you have to do that, but again, it never says you have to plug it directly to it says that you have to plug it directly to the GoPro, which is not the configuration for the Hero 10. You need the media mod. And so the guy's like, plug it in direct. And so again, I was looking through some adapters, and I believe that the adapter that was needed, that they did provide, it is a TSSR. So it's got two of the rings on the male port, right? And so it was a TSSR that I needed. And then when I plugged that in, when I plugged that adapter into the purple Panda, and then I plugged it into the GoPro, there's some sort of meter bar at the bottom of the GoPro that it shows you if your voice is getting picked up or not. So that sucker spiked because it didn't spike before. It spiked. So I'm like, okay, I think it's working. And then as I spoke into the purple Panda, you can see the bar kind of follow your voice, right? The level of your voice, it follows it. And so I'm like, okay, now it's picking it up. And then did the recording, and then yeah, it picked up. And so yeah, I had to struggle with that. I don't know why I did, but I did, and I figured it out after. I think I was messing with it for like probably like 30 or 40 minutes, and then I was like, all right, that's it. I may have to buy a new GoPro, but luckily I didn't. So yeah, that's the story.